Brittany, thanks. Developing this morning a strange noise in Huntersville. Take a listen. Kind of creepy, right? That's a Ring camera video neighbor Ryan Beard posted on YouTube capturing the mysterious sound. And get this, he said he was just sitting in his living room Tuesday night watching TV when all of a sudden he heard that growling sound.
And since then, neighbors say they're hearing something similar across the area. Thousands of folks have been talking about this online, but here's Ryan.
So I can imagine if I was outside, like I was in a house and it sounded way louder to me than the video sounds. And I want to say like the most like prominent thing about it is like after like the initial loud noise is like the echo. Like, I don't know, you could hear it in the video, but like it like really echoed.
Meanwhile, Duke Energy sent WCNC a statement saying they're not conducting any siren testing right now. Colonial Pipeline also says it wasn't doing any work at the time that would cause that kind of sound. So this morning we want to know, what do you think the noise could be? Text us 704-329-3600 or use the hashtag WakeUpCLT. Now, some people are already weighing in saying maybe it was a garage, maybe Bigfoot, maybe the little rascals. Keep texting in your answers, guys, at 704-329-3600.